In today's video, I am going to teach you how to recreate amazing text animations in Figma. Start by opening your design and getting your text layers ready. Place those text layers inside a single frame so everything is contained and easier to manage. Turn on Auto Layout for that frame with Shift-Fa. Auto Layout helps you keep spacing and alignment consistent as you duplicate and tweak versions for animation. It also makes resizing the frame predictable, so the text behaves the same in every stage. Keep the frame tidy and name your text layers consistently so Figma can recognize them across variants during animation. Next, enable clip content on the parent frame. This is key. Clip content hides anything that moves outside the frame's bounds, creating a clean window effect. Think of the frame as a mask. You can slide or rotate text in and out, and only what's inside the frame will be visible. Adjust the frame size to match the exact area you want to reveal. And make sure your text is fully inside to start. Now, convert that frame into a component using Ctrl-Alt-K on Windows or Cmd-Option-K on macOS. Inside the component, create variants to represent each stage of the animation. For example, one variant could be the starting position, another with the text rotated or shifted, and a third with it exiting or settling into place. Duplicate the base variant for each stage. Then change only what needs to animate, like rotation, position, or opacity, while keeping layer names and structure identical. Consistent naming helps Smart Animate match elements correctly. Keep dimensions and constraints the same across variants to avoid jumps. Head to the Prototype tab and connect the variants in the sequence you want. Set the interaction to after delay, using 1 millisecond or higher for speed. Choose Smart Animate with the ease in and out easing for smooth, natural motion. You can adjust the duration to taste. Shorter durations feel snappier. Longer ones feel more cinematic. If something looks off, double-check that layers share the same names and hierarchy in every variant. To loop the animation, connect the last variant back to the first. Set that transition to either Instant for a hard cut or Smart Animate for a continuous, seamless cycle. Instant is great when the last and first frames match perfectly. Now click the play button or preset to see the amazing text animation. You can adjust the settings anytime back the design. That's it. With a framed setup, clipping for the window effect, structured variants, and Smart Animate doing the heavy lifting, you'll have polished, looping text animations ready to impress. Thanks for watching.